Hi Travel Bees, welcome back, and I am super excited. Are you guys excited to talk about another one of the states that I visited on my huge adventure loop out west in the USA a couple months ago? I am super excited because this week I am going to be sharing with you Montana and all of its beauty. But there's a caveat. I did run into some of the smoke that was happening because of the forest fires out in the west that a lot of you probably heard of all throughout Oregon and California and all throughout the West in general, in Colorado and Montana and all of those states. It was pretty crazy time, and what bad luck I kind of had in the timing of things. If you guys have checked out any of my other videos, then you have seen that it didn't affect most of my trip when I was going through Colorado, Utah, Idaho. Just a little bit in Idaho, it affected my trip. And if you guys haven't checked out my other videos from my adventure loop, make sure that you guys go check those out. It'll be linked above and in the description, the playlist to get to it. But this week, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my trip into Montana and my drive from Idaho into Montana. It did get a little bit affected by smoke, but you can still see the glorious views that they have out there and just how absolutely gorgeous it is. So I'm excited to take you guys again on my trip, and I hope you guys have been really enjoying these videos. If you watched any of my other videos or you're watching this right now, leave me a comment. Let me know, like, have you felt like you're coming on this trip with me? I really hope that I've been inspiring some of you guys to really get out there and start seeing some of wherever you might be. It could be your own country, it could be your own state, but regardless, getting out there and just seeing what's out there in the world. Now, do make sure that you stay tuned towards the end because I have some pretty cool announcements if you haven't been watching my other videos. By the way, if you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope that you guys enjoy these videos. I really just make them for you guys. And if you guys want to support me, it's very easy. All you have to do is hit that like button, that big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell too if you can, so that you guys don't miss another one of my videos. I've got some really exciting things coming up in December, and again, stay tuned to the end to hear a little bit about what's coming up. So let's get into the video and Montana. You guys ready? Ready or not? Let's go! Alright guys, I have made it to the great state of Montana, and I'm super excited to check it out and see what it has to offer in this great state. I've been pleasantly surprised so far with all of the states that I've been to. So we will see what Montana has to offer, and also Glacier National Park. So excited. Can't wait to show you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. So as you guys can see, it's pretty smoky here. I am in Montana now, and it is just very smoky, but I can tell that it's just as gorgeous because I've just already passed over a couple of different rivers, and they are beyond beautiful, even with the smoke. The smokes are from the wildfires that are going on in the west right now. So that's a little unfortunate and sad that so much is being burned down. But I'm hoping the further west I go, or sorry, I'm hoping the further east that I go into Montana, the clearer it will get. And hopefully it hasn't affected Glacier National Park yet. I am going through a national forest right now, as you guys saw a little bit of. And I still want to do a little bit of recording of my drive so that you guys can see the beauty that is out here. Even with the smoke, you can tell how gorgeous it still is. I'm excited to see what the rest of Montana has in store. Just the first few minutes have been pretty gorgeous, so I'm looking forward to the rest. Hope you guys are too. Check it out. So this is a national forest as well. So this is Canikusu National Forest here in Montana. Actually, it looks like we went through Canikusu National Forest back in Idaho. But now I'm actually going through Kootenai National Forest here on the Montana side. Regardless of what kind of cooking or canny thing it is, it's pretty gorgeous. I'm sure that that has something to do with an Indian family of some sort. So this is the Kootenai River. I just saw a sign for that. Oh no, it looks like the smoke is getting worse. Instead of it looking white, it's looking a little auburn. So we might be getting closer to a fire. That's no bueno. Well, stay tuned. We'll see what we get to see. Really gorgeous river, you can tell, and it's like beautiful blue and green, but it's so smoky. Aww. Jetted rocks and mountains. Montana, you're gorgeous. Pretty smoky, but still very gorgeous. I've passed a few beautiful lakes and rivers, but it was really smoky, so I didn't even bother to grab the camera. But it's been very mountainous. You saw one of the rivers that I showed you earlier. Gosh, I'm so sad about all the smoke. 80 miles from Glacier National Park. Looks like I won't be beating the smoke there, but hopefully tomorrow it's a little bit more clear, and yeah, we'll just have to see. There's a beautiful lake on the other side of this, right there. Ooh, pretty. There's a glimpse. McGregor Lakes. Gosh, looks gorgeous. Oh, I can only imagine the view. I'm sure the view is incredible. So you can very briefly see the mountains, the line right there within the clouds. Guys, Montana is gorgeous, don't get me wrong. So I know that the videos aren't exactly proving that, but I hope that you guys can see behind the smoke and mirrors, and tell that it is quite gorgeous out here. I know from just a little bit that I've seen that it's quite magnificent. So I'm really hoping tomorrow's gonna clear up a little bit, and we'll see. I will also be driving south in Montana to, oh, I just saw another sign that said historical trail. It might be the Oregon Trail. I wonder. Pretty sure the Oregon Trail went across the nation, right? Right? Yeah. We will see. Alright guys, I am approaching Glacier National Park. Kind of see. But it's still smoky. Oy vey. So we will see if it clears up tomorrow. I think I'm gonna try and say something today, but I don't know how well that's gonna work out. So we will see. Luck might not be on my side. That's okay. Montana's still gorgeous. Who knows? Maybe I'll just have to spend a week here until it clears up. No, I'm just kidding. But darn, I'll have to visit again. There's some mountains. Oh, I can just see the potential beauty. There's a sign that says West Glacier this way. Really close to Glacier now. What is this? Apparently there's a pipe back there, and apparently you can just fill up your cup with it. I'm guessing it's like straight from the glacier or something. I don't need water, I got plenty of water, but if I needed water, that's kind of cool that you can get it there. Apparently this is the Hungry Horse Dam. We're entering Hungry Horse Dam right now. What that means, I don't know. I wonder if we'll see a bunch of hungry horses. It's like hungry hippos for hungry horses. Huckleberries and cherries. Huckleberry Land is that way, apparently. Oh, here's another huckleberry patch. Apparently, huckleberries aren't just in Idaho. Which, by the way, I just tried huckleberry popcorn. Amazing! Amazing. Let me just say. Maybe I can get more there. I don't know. But it's really good. Guys, I can see very faint outlines of the mountains in the distance, and I know you can't see them, but God, I wish this smoke wasn't here. Just so you guys know, I'm gonna do a video on my day at Glacier tomorrow, so you guys can start the day with me and end the day with me and see kind of what I do on my trip to Glacier. So hope you'll enjoy that. Keep an eye out for that video. Ooh, can you guys see those mountains in the distance? Ugh, not in the camera, but they are there. They're gonna like smack me in the face and be like, oh my God, here I am. It's a little bit better with you. You can sort of see them now. Glacier National Park, going to the Sun Road. Entering West Glacier now. Ah, guys, I'm here! Gateway Glacier National Park. Alright guys, as you guys heard me mention before, that I am going to be making videos about my day in Glacier National Park, and it's gonna be gorgeous because I was there and I saw that it was gorgeous. And even with the smoke, which I did encounter a little bit, you guys are going to love the hike that I did, and I think that it's gonna really show some of the beauty that Montana has with Glacier National Park. The whole purpose of this trip was for me to go to Glacier National Park, so I was a little bummed when it ended up being super smoky when I was there, but it was still gorgeous, still an amazing experience, and I can't wait to go back and explore even more. I've got those videos still coming up, but I do have something even more exciting for December. If you guys know me, if you guys watched my last video, then you guys might have heard, if you stayed tuned to the end, but in December, I have the 12 Days of Vlogmas coming up. It's actually going to be called the 12 Days of Travel Vlogmas because this is a travel YouTube channel and I want to incorporate that as best as I can because that's what I love. I think that you guys will really enjoy it. If you guys enjoy Christmas at all, I go all out. If you know me, then you know that, but if you don't know me, I love Christmas. So I plan on wearing ugly Christmas sweaters every single video for my travel vlogmas. So there will be a new ugly Christmas sweater each video. That's a little hint, but it's gonna be awesome. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you guys don't miss that when that comes up. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment. Have you been to Montana before? Have you seen these views? Have you been to Glacier National Park? I'm really excited to share that with you guys, and I can't wait to hear from you guys to hear what you guys have seen. Has this ever been a place on your list to go to? I feel like some of these states out west really get forgotten and people don't even think about how actually gorgeous they are because, for instance, Idaho, not many people talk about Idaho, but it's gorgeous. If you've seen any of my videos, then you love Idaho just as much as I do. I think that really bringing awareness to all of these amazing states that we have here in the US is important. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had a lovely Thanksgiving if you're in the US, and if you're not in the US and you're watching this in another country, hi from the US. Make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!